Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
So, hey, all is well. Great to see you. Yeah, cool. You too. Always. So, yeah, work meeting went way over. Okay. All right. Well, catch the replay, though, because it was good. It really was. So, what other questions do we have? I missed the email announcement. Well, whenever you don't get the email, which you should be getting now, you can always just go to your course library. This is for mentorship people. Go to the course library, and I always put the Zoom link there too. So there's 3 or 4 ways that you can get the Zoom. I hate when people miss it. So also put it in your calendar. That's what I was telling them last night. Go through the calendars at notaryeducatorsllc.com. It's right there on the front page. I send it out as many times as I can. Put those dates in your calendar so you know when the meetings are coming up, because you don't want to miss it. That's a crucial part of your mentorship, you know, is making sure that you come to the meetings, and especially one that you asked for. Look, Terry, you know you asked for that session, so that was all about you last night. So that's what we try to do, though, to take suggestions from the group to see what it is that you need, you know. So I'm typing. Let me quit that. Okay, here we go. So what other questions can I answer for you too for tonight? Okay. Oh, let me go over a couple more things we never do with documents when it comes to writing on them. Okay. Never use red. Never use red. Never use red. Never use red. Okay. And again, you want to check your ink pen before your client starts signing, because this looks like it could be red ink, right? But it could be black. Because they have cute little containers now, so this could be black ink. This does happen to be red because I have another project that I do, so this I use red for that. But you should never be using signing documents with red ink. You should never be signing with a magic marker. I had people come up with magic marker. Now, if they come with the most common thing people will do is signing with a pencil, and I don't know where on God's green earth they think that was okay to sign with a pencil. I don't know where that came from. Unless we're going back to school or something. But you never sign with a pencil, okay? Ever. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, you never sign with pencil. Okay? So you got to make sure you double check your work. And the way I caught that day is, again, because I was watching my client and I double check my work. I always double check my work. Let me quit working on this because I'm not focused, and that's not good. Don't kill me, y'all. I'm trying to work on the thumbnail too at the same time. They say you cannot really multitask. Okay, I digress. So what questions do you all have for me tonight while I am here? What's going on? So I had to have that client, erase it and sign it with the ink pen. In that case, it was erasable. And it was so funny because when he first did it, I said, oh, Lord, what are we about to do? I was able to, like I said, he was able to erase it. So we was able to, get the assignment completed. But always double check your work too. When I do my double check, that's how I catch a lot of stuff. Doing my double check. Terry J. Hey, Terry J says, how do I get help with getting a landing page and be able to take payments through it? So you can either set it up yourself. We do offer help with creating a website. Now we do have website services, so we can definitely help you with that. I think we're the most economical on the market, or you can try it yourself. Now I'm gonna tell you what to do for free. Always get your free option. Is GoDaddy is very easy to maneuver. You could always go to Google Sites now has a free landing page or website. Google Sites, I believe that's still free. Square, but that's not free, I don't think. But Square has a little landing page. So there are a lot of ways to get you a little landing page. Depending on how much you're going to be paying, though, I might would just go ahead and get me a website from GoDaddy. You get the cheapest one, and you'll be able to take payments on there too. So that's what I would think about. Okay. Yeah, just go ahead and get it if you're going to start there. You don't need a landing page to start your business. Just FYI, that's not a requirement. Eventually, I would like you to have one, but it's not a requirement. What other questions do you all have tonight while I am live? So today I had an inspection job that I did. Just completed that. And it took way longer than it needed to. I should have been there. I should have been at that assignment 20 minutes. I was there 45. So, I was having a fit. Oh, you're welcome, Terry J. Thank you. My pleasure. And if you can't just figure it out and get it completed, we'd love to help you with it. We are offering website services, so check out the packages that we offer. And now, too, we actually have a lot of templates. The templates are doing pretty well. I was a little frightened of my templates at first that we created, but they're really cute. So if you need your business card, your flyer, and all that, and you don't feel like being bothered trying to figure it out, we already got it completed for you. It's editable. You just download it and take you straight to Canva. We picked all free options. So you can do it right on Canva through our template. We already got everything made up for you. So you can check out the templates too at notaryeducatorsllc.com. Terry J said, okay, Elena. Hey, Elena, how are you? Or is it Eliana? Welcome. So I did change the name of the channel to Notary Educators with Kimmi because I'm trying to unite the brand. And this is something that you all want to consider too as you're doing your business. I heard somebody in our Facebook group, our mentorship group is thinking about starting a YouTube channel. So I would say, oh, thank you, Lori W. Yeah, I would say try to have your brand united, okay? And we talk about naming your business quite a bit. I'm going to do a whole video on that because that is the biggest thing people have a problem with. I have one out there already, but I think we got to talk about it again. Talk about it again. So for me, I wanted to brand everything together. So Notary Educators is, of course, my training company, right? So we have Notary Educators, and I had Notary Life with Kimmi, which is how everything got started. But now I wanted to be at a point. 2025 has brought about a lot of changes. So anyway, so now my channel is called, and I went through a little anxiety when I changed it the other day. When I was on the live, I said, oh, I think I'm going to change it. And then I changed it to Notary Educators, and I said, oh, I got to have my name in there somewhere. I have to. So I put Notary Educators with Kimmi. So I end up loving that. And for those of you who may be brand new, I am a Notary Educator, the number one, not the only one, but number one. No, just kidding. If you don't think you're the best, who else is going to tell you that? And I do a great job. I'm pretty excited about what our people are accomplishing. I love that I'm able to teach in a way people understand. And I'm just excited to be a part of the notary space. It's been life-changing for me. I've helped other people change their lives. People are building confidence, gaining confidence. My new thing now, take control of the signing table or it will take control of you. So I can't trademark every saying that I have, but, questions equal money. It's not that complicated. So, can't trademark everything, but I got quite a few of them. Let's see. Ileana says, you said right secret time. I'm blessed. Oh, great. Yeah, that's why I was saying, if you don't have time to feel like creating all this stuff and you want it simple, easy peasy, check out the templates. Because templates, it does make your business look a little classier instead of just trying to hodgepodge something together. So check those out. Terry J says, I love the glasses. They look great on you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's a new look for me too. I got these last year because I'm typically a square rectangle kind of person because of my cheeks. But these don't actually sit on my cheek. I got them at America's Best and I actually fell in love with them myself. So I do thank you. Lori W says, yeah, she's number one. I appreciate it, y'all. I do. What other questions do y'all have for me tonight?